Hello YouTube, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you something that I get. It's an air rifle. It's an old Falke Model 80. I get it from a friend with a bad rusty condition. Well, that's all I can say what I get. And today I'm trying to do some cleaning. So here's a closer look. This is a Falke made in Germany Model 80. Well, overall is here. It's badly pitting here. This is the first time I have hold this type of gun. I like German guns, but most of them are Diana. This is the first time I saw a Falke. There should be a marking here that write made in Germany, but it's been damaged, I think. And the front side is in this condition. Well, anyway, they are in this condition, badly rusted and fitting. I'm going to show you where the Falke is. There you can see a very light writing, Falke Model 80, but you can't see the eagle anymore. There is no more eagle picture over here. There should be an eagle picture over here. Yes, and I get it in this condition. Well, in this humble settings, I'll try to clean with my steel wool, with my WD-40. I thought I bought a rust remover, but it's not. And I bought some sandpaper and some newspaper. That's all I can do. So I'll show you where. This is the environment that I'm working at. So it's not basically a workshop. It's just a place during my free time in the factory. So I will start this without putting the video, but with taking some pictures later on. Thank you. First I usually just spray as much condition as possible. Don't worry, I'm not going to damage the plants. And then I usually rub it with my steel wool to see what else will come off. Yeah. This part here is still have a very good bluing. Yeah, hopefully it will come off. Let's try with a newspaper to wipe it off. There we go. You can see a little bit of the blued metal still in a good condition. Well, I'll do it offline. Thank you. Well, here's about 10 minutes cleaning too. You can see it's smoother in this area. We can only remove the rust, but we cannot salvage the pitting. Overall, the trigger is been a lot of pitting too. Yep. That's most that I can do. Maybe I'll try to clean some parts here to reveal the made in Germany and the Falke words. Yeah, can't see at the moment. Okay, I've done that for about 10 minutes. I'll try again. This part here. I haven't cleaned that. And that part there. I think I can't salvage the rear side too. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a tap loading mechanism, is very weak, like so. And some of the dovetails are better too. Some has been blunted. Okay, I will continue. Thank you, everybody. Here's after another 10 minutes of scrubbing. My steel wool is getting thinner. Well, this is an interesting gun. So this side is rusted worse than the other side, but it's okay. Still can see some metal parts here. Yes, it also has a funny end tail. I think this is to attach to the stock. This is just like a BSA model. Yeah. I can't manage to get much of the eagle out. Sorry, because working and videoing is not easy for me. Yeah, that's the most I can see. And the front part too. I think I'm missing the lights here. You can see the word mitten only. That's the most I can get. The thing is the word MA and don't know. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. I think I'm calling it a day. My shift has come to a start now. I need to go into the factory and wash up myself. Yeah, thank you for watching. I will attach some photos later.